Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally sharing a look using the W7 My Atlantis Eyeshadow Palette. This came in a kit from Walmart. The kit was called In Your Dreams Gift Set. W7 products in it. So I done this really beautiful mauve pink look. This kit was $10 at Walmart. You may be able to purchase this online, and it came with lip gloss, lip liner, eyeliner, eyeshadow palette, all for $10. Let's get started. I'll use the AOA Studio eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes and the I Heart Revolution powder under eyes to catch fallout. And of course I'm using the W7 My Atlantis eyeshadow palette. And these are Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette dupes. So pretty. So I'm taking this pinky mauve shade, and the palette comes with a double-ended or double-sided brush, however you want to say that, with a flat shader and a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to pick this shade up on the fluffy blending brush and place it in the crease, and I'm going to do a combination of patting this in the crease and sweeping it and blending it up into the brow area. And next I'm going to be taking this shade, which looks like a brown, but it's actually like a taupey purple shade. These shades are so nice. They blend really easily together, very effortlessly. They build up nicely as well, as you can see. And I'm taking this on a short stubby like crease brush, smudger brush kind of brush, and I'm really patting that into the crease, and I'm going to build that up, and I'm going to build that up along the orbital bone in the crease. I'm taking the shimmery shade in the palette. It's kind of like a pinky champagne shade. I'm also going to use the Loreal Lumi spray to spritz and get that wet and apply that on my lid using the flat shader brush that came with the palette. These W7 eyeshadows are so nice. I've tried a few of their products now, and I really like this brand. I wish I could find more of this brand out. So I'm just applying that on the crease, and I kind of bring it up in, or I mean on the lid, and I slightly bring it up into the crease, making a kind of like a fake cut crease, not fully cut crease. And you'll see me here, I'm just blending the shades, and they blend so easy. I'm taking this pale pink that is in the palette. It's the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm using that on the brow bone. So I'm going to place this under the brow, and then I'm going to blend that down into the crease, and I'm going to blend the crease color with the brow highlight that I'm using on both eyes. And I'm using that on a large eyeshadow shader brush, and I'm going to use the fluffy blending bar brush that came with the palette to blend those. I'm taking the outer corner color I used on the lash line, and then this shade here is a marbleized shade, but it is like a white opalescent pinky red duochrome eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just putting that in the inner corner. And then the W7 King Kohl eyeliner. This eyeliner is nice and black, but it will fade throughout the day. And I'm using this No Name Nude Eyeliner in the waterline, so don't cut my eye or close my eye off completely. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive, and these Halfling lashes from Shein. So just quickly place those, and I love it. So Sephora LashCraft Mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and I'm going to only put that on the upper lashes. The W7 Lip Twister Lip Liner in Nude. This lip liner works really nicely. It glides on. It stays a good portion of the day. It's nice and nude, and it's creamy. I like it. It's really pretty. The lipstick came with the other W7 kit that I hauled and did video on, and the lipstick's called Naked Desire. The packaging mimics the Charlotte Tilbury, so they do a lot of dupes. Very beautiful nude pink lipstick, very creamy, very nice. The W7 My Atlantis Lipgloss, the packaging is not done justice here on camera. It is absolutely stunning. There's no scent to it, and it's just a nice clear pink shade. So I'm barely tapping that on, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the look. found the video helpful, maybe try a look similar to this one. Hopefully you have the palette also already. I thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. And stay tuned for more videos using these W7 eyeshadow palettes. Thank you so much for watching.